Have you ever wanted to see the Living Desert Zoo and Gardens in Palm Desert, California?
Well, that's what we're fixing to show you.
Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're younger every day.
So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold almost everything we have in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west.
Now I'm going to school and we're loving this crazy life.
On this channel we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, and take you on amazing adventures just like this one.
So if you're new here, click subscribe to join the younger gang, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on any of the fun.
And if you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to get all caught up.
Today we're at the Living Desert Zoo and Gardens.
We looked around for things to do while we're here in Palm Desert, staying at the Thousand Trails, and this is one of the things that came up, and we're really excited to go check it out.
So let's go. All right, so we're at the Living Desert Zoo and Gardens, and we're gonna head over to the giraffe conservation area for the giraffe chat. Ansley, you wanna go see some giraffes? All right. I did see a sign that said look out for rattlesnakes, so
yes,
you know, look out for rattlesnakes.
I did too.
So giraffe is plural of giraffe, apparently.
I like them. Look. Look at that one. One looks like it's headed towards us. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yay, cool.
It's like it's floating.
Yeah. It's coming. His eyes are like
Yep. Is that thing alive? Is that a kudu or something or what?
So we have Scout, he is our largest kudu.
That's a tag.
He's in the very back right now. Toby is the one that's closest to us.
Pretty.
look, it has stripes.
Hi, twins.
He's only 2.5, she said.
His body is
He's a baby.
We're working with Twiga right now in our training area. He's one of our male giraffes. We have all reticulated giraffe here. It's the one species that we manage in our care. Twiga, he's a 2.5-year-old male. He was born here.
We have our giraffe on our scale right now. So if you guys would like to see how many of you equal one giraffe, Nick's gonna go ahead and open that up. If you want to walk onto our scale, maybe get a couple of you guys.
Come
Come on, let's go get on the scale.
He's very interested.
Maybe 1 or 2 more people on there. That's about 10 people to equal just one of our giraffe. And this is one of our younger giraffe.
Yeah, okay.
So you can see if he's sticking his tongue out there. That is a very long tongue, and if you'll notice the color, it's actually an odd color.
What are you gonna ask?
Probably not.
What do you think by their ears on top of their
You ask her.
You ask her. What are the things besides their ears?
Oh, they're ossicones? Those
For the
things on top of their
giraffe?
head?
So that's an ossicone. So that's part of their skeleton in their head. So they're born with those and then they'll just grow throughout their life. Well, not like an antler does, but they'll get a little bit larger as they get older. And that really is kind of like a weapon. Yeah, good question, hon.
Thank you. It's up there.
We gotta go around to the left to get there, it looks like. Lindsay, what was it doing?
Moving.
Oh yeah? Okay.
We passed the greater cuda. We passed the guinea cow. We passed the ostrich. And now warthog.
Let's go.
Can you pet them?
Yeah.
So small. Oh. It's wagging its ears.
Hey.
Eyes are like rectangles.
Hey. They're nice little things. Hey, little goat thing. What's up?
It's not a goat
thing.
Is it a goat?
Yes.
Okay. It's a goat. Hey, goat. What are you doing? He doesn't talk.
What?
Kenzie's like making friends. Hi!
You want to see the little babies? They're only 4 weeks old. So there's one right here. That's the little boy.
Oh, what about that one?
They're both just 4 weeks old.
Cute.
They're very cute.
Oh!
Oh, says I'm out.
Ansley, don't run!
What's wrong?
I wanted to pet them.
You wanted to pet the mom?
Her name's Bunny. Look at the donkeys, Daddy.
Yeah. I see him.
Is she soft too?
You sound kind of sick over there.
Is that the dada? It
Has a beard, huh?
I think that's the dada. What are you looking at? There's nothing in there. It says it's a leopard. I see it.
There it is. It's cool. Y'all see anything in there?
Or it's a hyena.
Oh, here he comes.
I think that's his cave. It looks like a porcupine fur. I think I see his cave.
Their ears are really pretty. They're very fox-like.
Yeah. They're awesome. They're really cool. I think he's trying to come meet us. There's the other one. They're going back to they like each other. Like one is in love with the other. Because one keeps following the other.
Those are not llamas, girl.
Daddy, come take a picture.
What is it she can't even do? Kenzie, where are you?
In the sun.
Can you do that thing where you close your nose hole? Let me see.
Is that like a camel?
There's something over here. Oh, look at that. Cool.
That's awesome.
Get in there, Kenzie. Make some drum beats.
Look at its nose. Look at him. Hey, there's a third one. Oh, there's a little one.
They decided to come see y'all.
That's a baby.
Where's the baby? Oh, there's the baby. Look at that.
It's so cool.
So cute.
I hope they don't. They're not staying up there.
They can't shoot their quills. They don't want to. They like us. Look, they're coming to see you.
Look, they're coming. Like they keep running over.
Yeah, they hear
here.
somebody like they're gonna feed them.
They act a lot like dogs. Why do they act so much?
They're
like
wild dogs.
But they're wild. I thought they would act more like wolves. Mommy! Mom,
Why do you think they're missing feathers?
There's another one laying down up on the hill.
Hello, this is an awesome jaguar here. Don't you see?
Do you see him, Anthony?
Oh, look, he's raising his head.
I see it.
All right, here we go into the aviary.
You seen a jaguar, a cheetah, what is it? What is it? So weird.
We had a lot of fun today at the Living Desert Zoo.
Yeah, it was a blast. The kids had so much fun. They really want to go back.
Yes, it was a lot of fun. They really like the giraffes. You get really close to them and they come over and they talk about how much they weigh and they feed them and do all kinds of stuff. It's really fun.
That was cool.
And they also really liked the African village where they had a petting zoo.
Yes.
With like little mountain goats or something. I don't even know what they were, but they was hilarious.
Cool. The little girls especially were like, oh my gosh!
Yeah,
They
it was
loved
cute.
It was
So
fun. And besides the zoo, there's also the gardens that have a ton of plants from the area. They're native to the desert here.
mhm.
It's just really cool.
Yeah.
Lots of
it's
different stuff.
So beautiful, and
Yeah.
we just had a great time. Now you've seen our visit to the Living Desert Zoo, and we want to know,
What are your favorite things to do in the Palm Springs, Palm Desert area?
let us know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let us know you liked it by giving us a thumbs up.
Also, don't forget to hit subscribe to join the younger gang so you can be a part of this awesome community.
We also hope you'll check out some of our other videos right over there. So, going to stay in Palm Desert, California and looking around for fun things to do and finding a really cool zoo in the middle of the desert and then sharing it with you, that's just another way that we're living younger every day.
Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.